Hi guys, this is Ginger from Eagle Site. In our previous videos, we have introduced a series of camping gears like tent, sleeping bag, and also pad. But I always feel that there is something missing. So why don't you take a cup for your camping for drinking water, coffee, and tea? So today I'm gonna introduce a little bit about our cube cup. In my hand, both cups are made of single wall titanium, but of course we have double wall. Unfortunately, it's not included in our today's show. So now let's see the weight of both cups. Dara, could you get a little bit closer? This is our small size. You can see the weight is 64 grams, and this is our medium size. The weight is 95 grams. So now you see the good point of these cups is lightweight and easy to take. You can just easily put it in your backpack or just hang it outside of your backpack. Thermal conductivity of titanium is great, so which means that you can use this to warm your hands in the cold winter. Just get some hot water inside and then warm your hand. But it may also very easy to get hurt if the water is too hot. So that's why we have the handle, the foldable handle for the cup side. If you don't like it, you just fold it like this and warm your hand. And when you need it, you can just easily unfold it and take it like this. Also, we have a cap for this medium size. We have added sandblasting treatment to the cup surface, so you can see it's not slippery, which is easy to take. Will not very easy to slip away from your hand like this. And also the last is the package of the cup. What comes is a very soft mesh stuff sack and also a brown box, which also you can customize it with your color box and with your logo or design on it. So at the last, we just pack it in this mesh production stuff sack and then put it in your color box like this. Such a good partner for camping.